So in this video, you'll learn how to customize a text shortcut on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So whenever you're using a text shortcut, all you need to do is just type in a short phrase, and then you can see the extended phrase appearing on your keyboard. So for example, my short phrase is hi. So whenever I type it in a message like this, you can see my extended phrase on the suggestion strip in blue. So when I tap on it, it will now replace whatever the short phrase was. So if you want to customize the extended phrase or the short phrase, then all you need to do is just open settings, scroll and select general management, and then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Locate text shortcuts and select it, and then tap on the shortcut that you wish to customize. From here, go through the process of customizing it to your liking. So you can change the shortcut or the short phrase, and then you can even go ahead and also change the extended phrase. And then once you've done that, just remember to tap on save to apply the changes. And so now you can see you've successfully customized the text shortcut. So from here, again, whenever you bring up the keyboard and you type in the shortcut or the short phrase on your phone, like that, then you'll see that the extended phrase has appeared in blue in the very middle of the suggestion strip. And again, you can just tap on that extended phrase and it will type out exactly what the extended phrase is supposed to be without you having to go through the motions again. Then you can just go ahead and continue with whatever it is that you're doing, whether it's sending an email, a message, or just typing something out on the web. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.